Today on ChatEDU Check-In, Google's sizable investment for AI training for all teachers. ChatEDU Check-ins are brought to you by eduaid.ai, where good ideas become great lessons. ChatEDU Check-ins drop every Tuesday and Thursday, and please remember to check out The Big Show every Friday with me and Matt Mervis. All right, takeaway number one. So Google has entered a 3-year agreement with the professional organization ISTE plus ASCD to provide AI training to all 6 million K-12 and higher education faculty in the United States. This initiative is described as Google's largest educational effort in 2 decades, focusing on hands-on experience with tools like Gemini and NotebookLM to help educators feel prepared for an AI-driven world. The second takeaway is that the push for this large-scale teacher training by private tech giants and nonprofits comes as federal leadership on educational technology has shifted or stalled. With the recent closure of the Office of Educational Technology at the federal level, organizations like ISTE and ASCD argue that they must step up to ensure teachers and students aren't left behind without support or equitable access. Richard Kulata, who ran the office under President Obama, said it's important that organizations like ISTE and ASCD step up when there are key needs that may not be filled at the federal level. And we just want to make sure that regardless of where we would like some things to happen, at this point, we just have to do all hands on deck and make sure we're supporting kids and teachers. Before we get to our third takeaway, let me tell you a little bit more about our sponsors, Eduaid. Built by teachers for teachers, Eduaid is an AI-powered workspace designed for real classroom planning. Recent updates add practical tools like grade-level evaluators, classroom-ready graphic organizers, and supports that turn rough ideas into lessons you can use tomorrow. Get 50% off an Eduaid subscription with code ChatEDU at checkout. Really, we are so grateful for our sponsors that we are able to do these check-ins each week. Now for the third takeaway. Critics argue that these industry-sponsored training programs may function more as marketing campaigns for specific products than as objective professional development. Concerns remain that focusing on specific vendor tools might privilege corporate market share over substantive evidence of improved student learning outcomes. Justin Reich, an associate professor of digital media at MIT and host of the podcast The Homework Machine, said industry-sponsored professional development is, at its core, a customer acquisition campaign. Since ISTE plus ASCD is historically both a membership-driven teacher organization and an industry trade association, he asks, how can it be an honest broker to those two constituencies while also launching an enormous initiative that privileges the products of one particular vendor? We know that critics will be critics, but the reality is that a lot of schools have access to the Google suite of tools, including Gemini, at little to no cost. And so we really need teachers to be prepared to use these tools in order to help their students. And so if ASCD and ISTE are able to help provide some of that training, it's going to be an asset. We want kids being prepared to use the tools for AI in the future. So I don't know. I think it's a good thing. Drop us a note in the comments. Let us know what you think. ChatEDU check-ins drop every Tuesday and Thursday, and don't forget to check out our big show every Friday with me and Matt Mervis. And once again, thank you to our sponsors, eduaid.ai. Remember, you can get a 50% off discount by using the code ChatEDU at checkout. Thanks.